myself Arvind Pandey and welcome you all in my channel Technical Group. Today I am going to explain you all about the financial function, how the financial function will work and what are the different formula which are used for the financial function. And after watching these videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel and like the videos and comment.
Hello all. Continue with the last session of video. In last session we have completed about the PMT function related to the financial function. Today we will start the same topic with the different formula, that is PPMT and IPMT. So our current topic is financial function part 2 related to the finance formula. That first is PPMT. So PPMT stands for principal payment monthly on time. So at the time of payment EMI amount, we have to pay that the principal amount as well as the interest amount. So in EMI how we have to break that principal and interest amount. So this formula will give you that the break detail of EMI. Means we can also see that EMI, that means PMT is equal to principal plus interest. So which formula we will use to calculate the principal? That means PPMT. So PPMT will calculate that the principal payment monthly on time and interest. So interest IPMT. So IPMT, interest payment monthly on time. So this formula will give you that the detailed information related to the EMI. So let's see that how formula will work, and we will also see with the help of loan schedule. So in last session our example was loan taken from HDFC Bank was 5 lakhs and the rate of interest was 12.36% and year was 2 year, and EMI amount which we have already calculated with the help of PMT is 23,620.88. So the EMI will be 24 months is the same amount. So today we will start with the the principal and interest amount. So for principal that will be PPMT and interest for IPMT. So before starting that PPMT and IPMT, first we have to keep in our mind that the opening balance is our same amount which we have taken a loan value. So this is because we have taken that the 5 lakhs amount as a loan, so that is the same as a opening value. Next for months. So for months we have been taken a loan for 2 years. So in 2 year total 24 months. So that will be 1 to 24 months. So we have to type 1 and 2 and we just have to drag the same cell so that it will come randomly basis. So only it will be for 24 months. Okay. Now, so we have already calculated our EMI. So we do not have to calculate again. We just have to select the same cell. So equal to our EMI cell is this. This means 23,620.88. So this will be absoluted. Why we have to absolute? Because we want to drag the sale in 24 months. So the EMI will be the same because the EMI amount will not change. Now principal amount. So principal amount will be increased every month whenever we pay that the EMI amount. So let's see. To calculate principal amount, the formula is PPMT. So equal to PPMT. So principal payment monthly on time. So Control A to open formula dialog box. That first is rate. So our rate is 12.36. So this will be absoluted. Why we have to absolute? Because we want to drag the sale and divide by 12. per is particular months. So we do not have to absolute this sale because every month our principal will be changed. So if our month is second, then the principal amount will be changed according to your months. So we do not have to absolute the same. If we absoluted, then the result will be fixed. So we do not have to absolute the sale. So NPER. So NPR, that is number of period. So number of year is that 2 year. This will be absoluted because while tracking this should not be changed. So this will be multiplied with 12. And PV. So PV is that present value. So minus present value, that means our loan amount. So loan is that 5 lakhs. So this should be in minus figure. The reason, because this is outflow resources. So whenever we pay our EMI amount, so the balance will decrease from the original loan. So once we click OK, here you see that the first month principal amount is 18,470.88. So whenever we drag, so this will come for total 24 months. So here you see that on every month that principal amount has increases. Now interest. So for interest we have to use that the IPMT. So equal to IPMT. So IPMT. So IPMT, control A to open formula dialog box. IPMT equal to IPMT equal to IPMT. Control A to open formula dialog box. Rate. Rate is 12.36. So this will be absoluted. This will be divided by 12. And per is particular months. So formula syntax is very similar as PPMT, but this formula will give you the interest amount. So NPR is for 2 year. So we have to select 2 and this will be absoluted. Why we have to absolute? While tracking this should not be changed. And PV. PV is that present value. So this should also not change. So select the cell and absolute it. This should be absolute the cell. So here you see that the result has come automatically, that is 5,150. So this is our interest amount. So how we have calculated that? First we have to select that the rate and particular months, NPR. So NPR will be multiplied with 12. NPR will be multiplied with 12. This will be multiplied with 12 because this is for 2 years and this will take in months. So always keep in your mind while calculating that IPMT. So this will be multiplied with 12 if your interest rate is on annually basis. If on quarterly basis, so this will be multiplied with 4. If on half yearly, this will be multiplied with 6. Okay, so whenever we click OK, so result will come automatically. So result has come. Once we drag the cell, so all result will come automatic. So our interest amount will be reduces every month. How we have to calculate at the closing? For closing we have to subtract opening balance minus principal amount on every month. So equal to that opening balance is that 5 lakhs minus principal amount. So we just press enter. Here you see that the closing balance has come. So same closing balance will be opening for next month. So we press enter. Here you see that opening balance has calculated. We have to drag for total 24 months for opening and closing also. At end of the 24 months our balance should be 0. So here you see that the balance has 0 at end of the 24 months. So in this video you have learned that how to calculate the principal and interest amount with the help of PPMT and IPMT formula. So that's all. Thank you.